In this video lesson, we'll test multiple water parameters using the PoolWaterLAB, specially developed by Water ID Germany for the US market. We'll measure pH, alkalinity, and chlorine using liquid reagents. To start, we'll need the PoolWaterLAB tester, along with the following liquid reagents: DPD-1A, DPD-1B to measure chlorine levels, Alkalinity M to measure total alkalinity, and phenol red to measure pH. We'll also use 3 colorful special stirring sticks, one for each measuring chamber. We also need the water leveler accessory, which ensures precise sample volume for accurate test results. Keep the water leveler upright, holes facing up. This prevents dust from entering the sample. To begin, turn on the water tester by pressing the power button, just one short click. Remove the light protection cap. Now it's time to collect a water sample. I'll take it directly from the pool. Before sampling, make sure to rinse the measuring chambers with pool water. For best results, collect the sample at elbow depth. That's about 30 to 40 centimeters below the surface. This helps avoid contamination and ensures more accurate water chemistry readings. At the pool, we've filled the measuring chambers. Now we need to remove the excess water and leave exactly 10 milliliters in each chamber. This step is crucial. Even small variations can affect test accuracy. Take the water leveler with the arrows pointing away from you. Gently press it into the measuring chambers. The excess water will flow out through the overflow channels, leaving exactly 10 milliliters in each chamber. Cover the measuring chambers with the light protection cap tightly. Press the 0 button and wait until the countdown ends. Next, we need to switch the tester to liquid mode. In the upper right corner, you'll see an icon with 2 tablets. This means the tester is currently set to solid reagents mode. To change it, enter the menu. Use the up and down buttons to scroll through the list and look for the droplet icon. Press OK, then use the down button to select liquid mode. Press OK again to confirm. Finally, use the back arrow to exit the menu. You'll now see that the mode has changed to liquid reagents, indicated by the droplet icon. Next, press the T1 button. Use the up and down buttons to scroll through the list and select the desired parameter. In our case, I'm choosing pH with liquid reagents. Once selected, press OK to confirm. For the T2 chamber, I'm selecting alkalinity with liquid reagents. Once selected, press OK to confirm. And for T3, I'm selecting chlorine, also using liquid reagents. Use the up and down buttons to scroll through the list. Once selected, press the OK button to confirm. Next, we need to add reagents to each measuring chamber. Starting with phenol red, shake the bottle well before use. Add 6 drops to the first measuring chamber. Take the first stirring stick and gently stir to mix the reagent with the water sample. Cover the measuring chamber with the light protection cap and press the T1 button to begin the measurement. Next, take the Alkalinity M reagent and shake it well. Add 3 drops into the second measuring chamber. Then, take the other colorful stirring stick and stir to mix the reagent thoroughly with the water sample. Cover the chamber with the light protection cap and press the T2 button to start the measurement. To proceed, take the DPD-1A reagent and shake it thoroughly. Add 3 drops into the third measuring chamber. Then, take the DPD-1B reagent, shake it well. Add 3 more drops. Use the other colored stirring stick and stir well to combine the reagent with the water sample. Cover the measuring chamber with the light protection cap, press the T3 button, and confirm with OK. Wait for the countdown to finish. The test results will appear automatically. Now we can see the test results displayed on the screen. Press the back button to return to the main menu. Then, press the Wi-Fi button once to save the data to the cloud. Once synchronization is complete, press the back button again to return. If you're not going to continue testing, press and hold the off button to switch the tester off. Now let's wash the tester and all the accessories to keep everything clean and ready for the next use. Without removing the measuring chamber, carefully pour the colorful water with the reagents out from the tester. Rinse the chamber thoroughly to ensure no reagent residue remains. The colored solution can quickly stain and damage the cuvette if not cleaned properly. Also, rinse the colorful stirring sticks thoroughly to remove any remaining reagent. Rinse the light protection cap as well, making sure no residue is left inside or around the edges. PoolWaterLAB. Don't settle for anything less than the best.